High-paying side hustle for teachers. I was born into a family of teachers. And with time, I came to understand one thing. Theirs is one of the most appreciated professions in the community, yet they are mostly underpaid. Ergo, the need for high-paying side hustles for teachers. The best side hustles for teachers should pay well and offer flexible hours so the major source of income doesn't suffer. That's why I have compiled a list of legit high-paying side hustles for teachers. Stay with me through this video as we see each one of them and decide which one is best for you. Before we proceed, it is important you know we are working on lots of opportunities that will be beneficial to you. Don't miss out. Subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button. And ring the bell to be the first to get a notification on the next video. Here are some side gigs for teachers that pay well. 1. Write an ebook. Do you have specific knowledge that's in demand? Consider writing an ebook to share your knowledge and at the same time have a source of passive income. This could very well be a side hustle for teachers, as it can be done after school hours. Platforms like Kindle Direct Publishing and CreateSpace, both by Amazon, allow you to write your ebooks and publish them. 2. Become a transcriber. Basically, a transcriber has the job of typing up transcripts from recorded audio recordings. It's a perfect side gig for teachers with a keen eye for detail, a functional computer, a good internet connection, and lightning-fast fingers. There isn't necessarily any prior experience needed, however, you may be required to take a test to ascertain your level of knowledge of the English language. Companies like TranscribeMe and Rev offer legit jobs with fair pay and flexible working hours. 3. Grade papers. This is what your primary job already entails. And companies like Pearson offer to pay teachers between $10–12 per hour for scoring papers. These teachers will be given standardized tests to act as a guide. All you will need is a reliable internet connection and a computer. So, check your schedule and find some extra time to commit to the weekly hours. 4. Become a nanny or babysitter. Most times, it's the love of children that drives us into the teaching profession, and that's what makes it a perfect side hustle for a teacher. So, if you love kids so much, you should consider starting up a babysitting gig. Inform your friends in school and your church about your available services. People are more inclined to keep their kids in the care of persons they know personally or through a friend. Also, you can employ the services of companies like Care or SitterCity. Create a profile with the sites and get gigs from there too. 5. Become a pet sitter. As a pet sitter, you will be required to go to people's homes to take care of their pets in their absence. Perhaps, the family wants to take a vacation, but do not want to travel with Spike. In that situation, Spike's destiny will rest solely on your pet-sitting shoulders. Plus, if you already have a dog, you can take yours as well as theirs and get paid to do your regular activity. Platforms like Rover, Wag, or Dog Vacay offer dog-specific opportunities. Care.com or SitterCity also offers a pet-sitting section. Go ahead and create a profile. 6. Offer counseling services. As a teacher, you have a professional certification that allows you to offer counseling services. You should explore this field as a side hustle for teachers. Sign up on BetterHelp, a platform for counseling and psychotherapy gigs as an extra source of income. These services can now be fully run remotely online. These platforms allow you to practice without having to bother about paying for office space, collecting payments, or finding clients. 7. Become an online researcher. Every class has very inquisitive students with very tough questions. However, as a teacher, it's your job to provide answers to these questions, regardless. That ability to find answers to all kinds of questions would make this job a perfect side hustle for teachers. Online platforms like Wonder hire researchers to answer the questions clients may have. So, whenever you log in, you will see the questions clients dropped for you. You will have to go about finding answers to them and responding in easy-to-comprehend bits. I hope you enjoyed this video on high-paying side hustles for teachers. Which would you be considering? Let's hear your thoughts in the comments section below. Remember to click the subscribe button below to be the first person to watch new videos on this channel.